Setting up an email campaign in System.io is simple and effective for automating communication with your leads and customers. Here's how to do it. Log into System.io. Go to System.io and log into your account. Create an email campaign. From the dashboard, click on Emails and then select Campaigns. Click Create Campaign. Give your campaign a name and select a list of contacts you want to target. You can choose an existing list or create a new one. Add emails to the campaign. After creating the campaign, click Add New Email. This will open the email editor where you can write the subject, body, and design your email. You can use pre-designed email templates or start from scratch using the drag and drop editor. Set triggers and timing. Set triggers for your campaign, such as when a contact subscribes, makes a purchase, or clicks a link. Specify the timing for sending the emails. You can choose to send them immediately or schedule them for a specific date and time. Automate follow-ups. Use automation rules to send follow-up emails after specific actions, such as a lead opening an email or clicking a link. Review and launch. Review your campaign settings, and once everything looks good, click Start Campaign.